The next configuration we have is to determine the depreciation area in the asset class. To do that, the menu path is from SPRO, it is SAP Reference IMG, Financial Accounting, Asset Accounting, Valuation, and then click on this Determine Depreciation Area in Asset Class. When I click on this Determine Depreciation Area in the Asset Class, the system will navigate us to the new window. Or else, you can always use the T code for this. So what is the T code to determine the depreciation area in asset class? It is OAYZ. What is the T code? It is OAYZ. Now click on the position button and enter the asset class which we had just created and press enter. Okay. Here, select the asset class and then double click on the depreciation areas which is on the left side of the screen. When you do this, the system will again navigate us to the new window. If you observe here, all the depreciation areas are deactivated. Correct, right? All the depreciation areas are deactivated. Now, what I'll do is, I'll just remove the check symbol of the deactivation which is against the book depreciation so that it gets activated. Once it is done, I'll just hit the enter button. Yes. Here, for the field layout, I'll assign the standard layout which we have modified as per our requirement for the depreciation area in the previous video. Okay, so I'll assign as 2000 for the depreciation areas and I'll press this enter key. Now, the system is asking us to enter the depreciation key. So what I'll do, I'll just enter my depreciation key, that is ABC, and then use 99 and period 5. Okay, here I'll enter my depreciation key as ABC, use as 99 and the period as 5. So what is this use? Here use is nothing but the planned useful years for the asset, wherein period is nothing but the planned useful life in periods. That means I'll use this asset for 99 years. Normally, some people while configuring, they create the depreciation area during the starting point of the configuration. At that time, they will assign the depreciation key as default 000 and then they'll come and add the depreciation key at the later step. Now what I'll do is, I'll just keep 01, that is book depreciation, and deactivate the other depreciation areas. So, to save the changes, I'll just click on this save button. Okay, there is one more configuration that needs to be completed while configuring the asset accounting for the first time. That is calendar assignments. What it is calendar assignments. We make use of this assignment rules in the period control to establish the connection between the asset value date of the asset acquisition and the depreciation periods. Got it? So to make that configuration, we take the menu path for that. So what is the menu path? That is from SPRO. It is SAP Reference IMG, Financial Accounting, Asset Accounting, Depreciation, Valuation Methods, Period Control, and finally I'll click on this Define Calendar Assignments. Okay, when I click on this Define Calendar Assignments, the system will take us to this window wherein I'll click on the New Entries button. Now here, make the entries just like this. That is, for the fiscal year variant, enter the fiscal variant used for the company code. Here, in my case, it is ZC. So I'll enter as ZC. And for the key related to period control, maintain the values as 01, that is prorate at period start date. We also have some fields like year, month and date, where we maintain the fields related to the posting date. We also have a field called period. That is value date period for the depreciation calculation. We make use of this field to specify to the system as to after how many periods the system should calculate the depreciation. Okay, for now, I'll just leave it as blank in the screen so that the system will calculate the depreciation from the first period itself. And then I'll click on the save button. Okay. So guys, this completes the configuration of asset accounting. Now, let's create the asset master record from the next video.